Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that you should be very careful about trusting other people. Why? Because at the end of the day, there are people out there who will always try to harm you in any possible manner. Of course, it would be wise to say that most people in the world are actually good people, because the fact that we humans have become a civilized society means I think it means that I think majority of the people in the world are actually good people who are willing to cooperate and who are willing to live peacefully and happily and prosperously with other people in this world. So I think most people are actually nice people. It's that minority of people who are always trying to harm other people, who are always trying to harm innocent people. That is the that is the real problem of this society. That is the real problem of this world. Those few minority of people end up causing a lot of harm in the society, end up causing a lot of damage, a lot of problems in the society. That is the real problem. That is the real tragedy. So this is why I'm saying that let's assume you are just driving your car on the highway, and you encounter a person who is stranded, who seems to be stranded on the highway. That person is standing beside a car. That car seems to be damaged, or seems to have stopped abruptly, and he or she is not able to start the car, and you think that this person needs your help, so you decide to give this person a ride to the next town. It's a very noble intention, it's a very noble mindset. But turns out, after you give that person a ride to the next town, that person ends up showing you a gun and trying to rob you. And also that person might actually try to harm you in many possible ways that you might not be even able to imagine. Just turn on the news and see all the kinds of horrific news that comes about people who have been the victim of crimes on victims of various kinds of crimes. So the people you might think that you can trust them, that turns out those people are actually there to harm you. So this is just one example. That a person whom you think is a hitchhiker turns out to be harming you turns out to be a person who is just trying to rob you, or might be trying to do worse things to you. I mean, there are many psychos in this world, so we just have to acknowledge the fact that the world is a very dangerous place and full of dangerous people as well. In the same way, you might think that you are very, very safe and very very secure within the comforts of your family, but turns out the people in your own family want you dead. People in your own family want to rob you, they're behaving nicely with you, they are behaving well with you, because they are just putting up a facade in front of you. They may be after your money, or they may be trying to extract some kind of benefit from you. And after they have extracted that certain benefit from you, they will literally throw you away as if they are throwing away trash in the trash can. So even people in your own family can literally harm you in many possible ways that you might not be even able to imagine. This is literally the world we live in. I know it's very tragic. You might think that if this is the kind of world we live in, what's the point of living amongst other people? What's the point of living inside quote unquote society, inside this society, when we can't even trust other people around us? That's why a lot of people become recluses, some people become monks, some people become just go inside a cave, just go to the hills and literally meditate inside a cave and just stay away from all people around them. They just become give up on society, on the idea of society as a whole. They just become separated loners. No wonder so many people become like that, because they might have been betrayed so many times that they just lose the energy of having any kind of tangible good relations with with other people. It is very tragic. It is very, what can I say? Sometimes you just run out of words when you think that there are people like that. So all I'm saying is that you shouldn't stop trusting people, but you should be very, very careful, because the person that you think might be your closest friend can actually backstab you the next moment only. So I know it's a very horrific thought to ponder upon, but it actually does turn out to be true in the case of a lot of people. So yeah, this is the way the world is. So be careful, have faith in God. I think that's why I say that, it's better to have faith in God, because faith is hope for the hopeless and spine for the spineless. The late and great, I think this quote is from the late and great Christopher Hitchens. He was an atheist, by the way. I think he was saying this to mock religious people, to mock the people of faith. I can understand. I mean, he had his own point of views, and he was actually a very good orator. He was actually a very good speaker. I do admire him. I do admire him for many things. But you also, that quote from him, if that quote is actually from him, faith is hope for the hopeless and spine for the spineless. That quote actually, he might have said this to mock the believers, but in a way it actually also gives you hope that sometimes you might run out of options in your life. Sometimes you might not have any hope in your any hope left in your life. At that moment, the only way out or the only way forward that we can see is God, is spirituality, is religion, is faith, whatever name you call it. But sometimes people just latch on to that last thing because they don't have any other options in their life. Have faith in God. I hope hopefully things will turn out great for you, and never lose faith in God. That's the only hope that people have. More on this in the next video, I think, or maybe not. Until then, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That will help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.